Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with, I would consider it a massive Dollar Tree haul for the simple fact that I went over $30. Keep in mind, I didn't even use a cart. And also, one of the newer stores that's near me, it's like not five, that's really close, but I go to 5 different kinds. There's 3 by the job and 2 by my home. We had an additional one that opened recently, the one that I go to a lot. You have to put a quarter in the cart now. Well, I haven't been using the cart for a long time, since towards the end of last year, or all of last year as well. I used the basket so I could try to save money, and obviously that didn't work because I was still able to spend $37 at Dollar Tree off of my little basket. So, but no, I had realized at this this time around, you have to put a quarter in, but you do get your quarter back when you put the cart back where it belongs. I guess you're not allowed to take it out and so on and so forth. So imagine if you had like just figured out that there was a Dollar Tree and you go crazy. That's how it was for me years ago, where you just thought you needed to buy the whole store. But now, 10, 15 years later, you kind of know how to calm it down, and you don't need to have everything by the bulk anymore. You just go as you go. Anyways, how are you guys doing? How is life? It is May. I can't believe it's May. It's May. Mother's Day is coming up soon, and I am blessed to have my mother-in-law. I'm blessed to have a variety of women in my life that do empower and encourage me at all times. And I'm blessed to have you guys. I see beautiful moms out there doing so much for their children, and it's just a beautiful thing to see at all times. I'm going to go through the bags quickly because there is more than normal. And I did get a couple of things. The main reason for this trip was because my son is doing some kind of running activity or project, and he needed to have baby oil, cornstarch, something else. Anyways, I'll figure it out. I went to go get him some stuff, and I wanted to see if I could get some stuff to do a DIY backdrop for Mother's Day. We do have a flamingo pineapple theme, so I have to come up with some ideas. And guess what? Dollar Tree never fails. I was able to find some flamingo items, some Hawaiian flamingo items, and I'm thrilled about it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys those things. Nothing is in any particular order. I'm just going to go through it. This is a big amount for me compared to other people. I know this is nothing, but for me, it's a lot. Alright? Alright. This is going to be part of the backdrop. So it comes with 8 of these beautiful flowers. And these are just paper cutouts of flowers. There's some of how they look. Also got some lanterns. These got the flamingo design. I'm excited about that. My sister's going to be making cookies, so I can't wait just to see how the table display would look for Mother's Day. I'm really excited about that. Here's another one. I got 2 of them. It looks like you could really, you could light it up. Can't wait to set everything up. I also got paper cutouts that the kids could, like when it's time to take pictures in front of the backdrop, they'll be able to hold on to these and feel tropical. I think I have tropical attire for them. Here is a plastic table cover. I think I'll put this, I have a couple of them. I think I'm going to put this one because it's very thin in the dining room table. It's only going to have this. It's not going to be the main, it's not the dinette where all of the main things are going to be, like the cakes and all of the stuff. That's just going to be on the outskirts, and that's all it's going to have. Here's the napkins. Now this will be on the dinette table. I got some of the flamingo straws. Cute for the kids to have. Also got the pineapple centerpiece. Mother-in-law is going to be making from scratch a pineapple cake, pound cake. So I'm really excited about that. I got 10 of the counts of these flamingo stirs so that the kids could feel fancy. They'll just have very basic diluted mojitos. So that's what's gonna happen. It's my phone. That's the new phone case that I got from Wish a couple of months back. So I'll make the kids some special juice that's gonna be alcohol free, and the inflatable character personal. Well, anyways, they're flamingos. I got 2 of those so that the kids could take pictures. I should have got 3. I don't want them to fight. Anyways, that was long, and that was 1 bag. Wow. All right. She was really good, and she was really organized. I like her. I'm going to try to put these back in the bag. So I have the Memphis style barbecue. It's time to be out with the grill. So we'll have our kids' hot dogs and chicken and shrimp, steak, and all of that will be outside for spring. We'll be doing a little cookout, you know, every other weekend. Nothing heavy or major. Just over the weekend we'll grill. Got the steakhouse seasonings. I just also picked up some of the Junior Bear syrup. Seasoned some of the chicken. And I got the French fry seasoning. Kids love that. Yeah, the French fries are really good for the air dryer. Not the air dryer. The air fryer. I always call it air dryer. This is for the project for my son. He needed to get pudding too. Yeah, my son. And the pancake syrup. I don't know if I showed this, but the McCormick bacon pieces. All right. Started getting my Mother's Day stuff, so I got some of the sheets that I'll bag up for them. Look like you could do some kind of, yeah, you could wrap up. You could come up with different creative ideas with them too. And just use it to wrap up their gifts and put it in the bag. I bought 2 of the gift bags, 2 for $1, and I got a lot of the Mother's Day cards. I have a lot of to send out and mail out to relatives. So I got the Happy Mother's Day one. It's just a beautiful purple. I love purple. Got another one here with thoughts and prayers on Mother's Day. It's for a friend that's not in the state. Here's another one. This one says, Mother's Day is a time for wishing happiness to the people who means the most to us. That's a pretty card, right? Thinking of, this is for my sister. This would be her beautiful card. This is my sister's card. And may the Lord make this day a special for you. And the last card. There's joy in the laughter, faith in her soul, love in her heart. Yep. So I got a lot of shipping to do very soon. So I'll get right into that quickly. Alright? Alright, these are just regular basic things that you guys normally see that I always get because I have missing pieces of them continuously. So these are for my baby son. And I got one of these tissues. in these sheets. It smells amazing. I got the lavender scent. And my last bag, you guys. Oh my gosh. 10 minutes. Some more of the decor. So I got, you know, flamingo theme. So we got these cute little festive utensils. Here's the plates that match the napkin and also the tablecloth. I got 2 of these beautiful plates. Alright. This is going to be on the dinette tape because we don't want it to be too busy since it's already going to have a lot of other activities. It's going to be the main table. This tablecloth I'll probably do as a backdrop. The backdrop could look busy and crazy if it wants to. And I got another one. Alright, and that is, you guys, that was my haul. I got a lot of really cool things this time around, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. You guys, Mother's Day is coming up already. Oh my gosh. The year is just moving along. So you guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will catch you guys soon. Bye.